How are you, mate?
Good. Welcome to Suzhou, China.
I can't believe where I am. This is absolutely mind-blowing.
It's a bit impressive, isn't it? It's good. This is the brand new headquarters for GoodWe. So this is something we're going to show you around today. So we've got lots to see, different departments, lots of people to meet, plus our manufacturing facility, which is one of three. And yeah, shall we get going?
It's going to be an action-packed day. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
John, there's lots of activity happening behind me. Guys on computers, getting stuck into it. They seem to be research and development.
That's right, yes. This is one of our 4 locations for research and development. We have over 1,000 R&D employees within the GoodWe team. So these guys behind us, at the moment, they're conducting safety regulations testing to make sure all of our products conform to safety regulations in different parts of the world.
By what went wrong and how they can fix it moving forward.
Absolutely, yeah. Whether that's a physical alteration or it's through that we can do remotely, these guys are on top of everything, and this is just a tip of the iceberg.
This is a fraction of that too.
Fraction of it. That's the nature of the technology. It's constantly evolving, constantly getting better. Refinements are being made, improvements are being made. All of our componentry comes from top 500 companies in the world, and we have very stringent standards with our raw materials and components. And if it doesn't meet those standards, it doesn't go on our products.
GoodWe started in 2010, founded by our CEO Daniel Huang and a small team. Until now, GoodWe have more than 5,000 employees globally across about 30 countries. We have installed our products in more than 100 countries, and in total, the accumulative installation reached 80 gigawatts. This building is our new headquarters. It's called the GoodWe Smart Energy Innovation Center. In fact, this building is truly low carbon green building. We have used a lot of self-developed products in it, such like PV inverters, energy storage products, EV chargers, and also PV building materials. You can see that this is a truly smart energy building, and it meets the way in green building innovation, truly embodying the philosophy of making every building generate electricity.
So guys, this facility is absolutely incredible. I'm assuming this is the very beginning of the manufacturing process for inverters?
Yeah. So this is a PCBA process about the inverter. So you can see this is a high-speed pick and place the machine. So you get high speed to mounting the component on the PCB, so, and then into the reflow on to the soldering.
This process is fascinating. How long has it taken from the beginning to this point for one board to be made?
Each the PCB is different, but almost maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
Wow, so literally every 10 minutes on a conveyor belt, you're producing another one. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for inviting me here to your global headquarters at Suzhou, China. It's been an absolute revelation.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, and really it's been a great day. We've been able to show you our manufacturing facility, also our headquarters as well, a new showroom, and really just show that innovation is what we try and achieve. We'd like to walk the walk and really lower our carbon footprint and really sort of demonstrate what can be achieved.
And you've truly demonstrated in your own building how every single person in the world, every building in every city, in any country can achieve net zero.
Absolutely, and not only from a commercial scale, but all the way down through to residential as well. The technology is the same, and that's what we try and like to achieve, really. Everyone lower their energy bills, gain their energy independence, and have a greener, cleaner future.